The calculations such simple functions like sum, mean, max, average wouldn't take up too much of your time if you use built-in function and the list sum. In addition, Microsoft Excel will automatically add up a range of cells for you and place the results in a nearby cell. It's the easiest way to calculate such function. I'll go straight to the point. Let's look at our table. Above all, in the column E, we need to calculate the total sum for each product. In order to do it, we set the cursor at the cell E4 at the Home tab and the Editing group. Click the drop-down next to the Sum command and select the function Sum. Microsoft Excel will guess which cells we would like to sum together. Otherwise, we will need to select the cells to choose we want. As soon as we press Enter, the results will appear. Then we use a fill handle to copy a formula down the column. A fill handle is a small black box at the bottom right corner of a cell. It allows us to extend a formula. To calculate the average value in the cell B11, select an empty cell directly below the range that we want, B4, B10. At the Home tab in the Editing group, open the drop-down menu and choose Functions Average. After that, it's necessary to check the proposed cells range and press Enter. The next one is copy the calculated function in cells E11 and D11. We again use a fill handle. To put the final touches to my video, I'll explain how to see the calculation results immediately. We can use the status bar. The status bar displays information about what we have selected, whether it is a single cell or multiple cells. If you select a range B4, B10, we will see the results at once. As soon as we delete the selected, we will immediately lose this result, and all information disappears. Let's select our range again. If you right-click on the status bar, a dialog box will pop out, displaying all of the options. We can choose the desired functions, for example, minimum, maximum, and you will see the result. As you can see, it's been an incredibly simple and great way to calculate functions sum, average, and others. After watching our video, you will have no problems and meet no difficulties. Thank you for your watching.